You might be surprised to hear this, but XRP Ripple is about to experience explosive growth. Our beloved cryptocurrency might reach $100 or perhaps higher, according to experts. But why did that major thing happen all of a sudden? The win of Ripple, VitaC, in a nutshell. The miracle that we have been anticipating for the past 6 years has finally come to pass. Ripple has emerged triumphant from the protracted conflict with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The XRP community may be rejoicing, but there is much to digest regarding the fallout from SEC's move. Regulatory muddle and enormous financial losses beset Ripple and XRP holders during the 4-year duration of this dispute. An attorney known for his support of the XRP community, John Detton, recently criticized the SEC for how they handled the case. The 75,000 XR token holders represented by Detton have been outspoken about the harm that the SEC's overreach has done to regular investors' finances. Over $15 billion has been lost by small-scale investors due to the SEC's misbehavior and excessive meddling. Detton made the statement to emphasize the seriousness of the situation, saying that the 75,000 small investors he represents will not accept the SEC's apologies. Legal action taken by the SEC against Ripple had far-reaching and urgent consequences. The value of XR plummeted by $15 when the lawsuit was initially announced, causing many individual investors to lose a significant amount of money. Like other companies, Ripple had to shoulder substantial costs. To fight allegations that XRP was a security, the company spent more than $100 million on legal fees. Legal proceedings were drawn out and exacerbated as a result of the SEC's refusal to settle by withdrawing the assertion that XRP constituted a security despite Ripple's best effort. A number of prominent crypto Twitter users have recently tweeted about the SEC's mistakes, drawing attention to them. The SEC has hinted that it might not appeal the XRP decision, which Ido Farina saw as a possible indicator that the protracted dispute could soon come to a close. The absurdity of the SEC's abrupt change of tone was pointed out by Jack the Rippler, who spared no words. Because of its repeated and inaccurate claims that tokens are securities, the SEC deeply apologizes if it has caused any misunderstanding. They apologized after suing Ripple 4 years ago. Durit Alderati, chief legal officer of Ripple, also expressed joy at the conclusion of the chapter, noting the hardships caused by the lawsuit, but viewing the triumph as a triumph for the entire cryptocurrency industry. Judge Annalisa Torres dealt the last blow to the SEC case with a ruling that XRP was not a security in order to determine whether the SEC is responsible for the harm it caused. Detton is now anticipating the findings of an inquiry by the SEC's Inspector General. Yeah, since the CC's handling the matter was careless and detrimental, he thinks the investors who lost money as a result should get compensation. This case will undoubtedly go down in history as a watershed moment, and not only for Ripple and the cryptocurrency sector as a whole. In light of the growing scrutiny of the SEC's role in the financial ecosystem, this case emphasizes the importance of more transparent laws and more equitable handling of digital assets in the United States. The battle for more reasonable regulation goes on, with prominent players like Detton at the forefront, even though the XRP community may have won this round. The topic of XRP Ripple's future inevitably comes up as well. This is a watershed moment for XRP, not just any moment. We have won the legal struggle, and now XRP can soar to new heights. Believe me when I say that selling now might be your worst decision ever. I'll explain why XRP's potential has never been higher in just a few minutes. As a result, many are getting quite excited about the possible price of XRP, making bold promises and making optimistic projections. The Rippler known as Jack is one of the most outspoken participants in the discussion. He likens the present situation of XRP to the early days of Bitcoin. In a tweet, Jack stressed that you shouldn't be like the 99% of individuals who were wrong about the $1 per Bitcoin prediction. Because of its utility-driven nature, the XR price is impossible to forecast. In quadrillions of dollars, the utility is grounded. The price can go as high as it wants. Gather your materials. This attitude reflects the view that XRP's long-term viability depends on its practicality rather than speculation in the market. There are growing concerns that XRP is nothing more than a speculative asset. Rather, it is a digital currency with practical applications in international banking. This hope stems from XRP's ability to shake up the current payment system, which is currently controlled by companies like Swift. If XRP can even manage to grab 10 of Swift's daily transaction volume, which is roughly $5 trillion, Trill could theoretically skyrocket to $100, according to researcher CryptoTank. He went on to say that if XRP were to capture 10 of Swift's traffic, it would mean 500 times more transactions than XR currently processes each day, or about $500 billion. These grandiose predictions, however, do more than just generate enthusiasm. They also breed doubt. Although many price estimates are based on insufficient data and are unduly optimistic, CryptoTank himself warns against being too hopeful. According to him, we need to exercise caution when trusting chartist price projections, since they may not have a complete grasp of the complexities of the market. Even though there have been cautions, the $100 mark is still generating a lot of buzz in the community, and analysts like Greg and Javon Marks are using technical analysis and historical data to support their statements. Steph the Crypto, a member of the community, tweets that technical analysts are keeping a close eye on XRP since they believe the cryptocurrency is about to break through on the monthly chart, adding fire to the optimism. There appears to be more belief than ever before in XRP's long-term potential. Despite its recent underperformance, you should proceed with caution when relying on these forecasts, as you would with anything in the crypto realm. The present environment does not quite enable such quick expansion, at least not yet, but $100 would appear conceivable given XRP's capacity to compete with fast and manage enormous daily transaction volumes. Reminding his followers to remain strong and loyal, Jack the Rippler continues. He stresses that the only way to show support is to buy more XRP or not sell any at all. And he emphasizes that holding XRP for the long run might bring huge profits. The practicality of XRP is what attracts many members of the XRP community. Whether that benefit is immediately apparent or not, the lesson remains the same. Patience is crucial. Despite this, the XRP community has a bigger story, one of optimism and realism that the continuing speculation serves to emphasize. The $100 price estimate is exciting, but keep in mind that XRP's true potential is tied to acceptance, regulation, and the overall state of the global financial system. The excitement surrounding XRP has arrived, but getting to its actual worth may take more time. With Ripple's ongoing collaborations with banks and payment providers and institutions like Swift already embracing blockchain technology, XRP is poised to transform international money transfers. It is still to be determined if it can manage to grab that elusive 10 of Swift's volume. The anticipation for XRP future, however, shows no signs of abating. Regarding the potential of XRP, I would like to bring your attention to something that is going to rock the crypto industry to its foundations. Recent developments at Ripple include new collaborations and strategic alliances. As a company, Ripple is setting itself up to rule the world of international finance. For reasons you won't believe, this has the potential to send XRP soaring above $100. Be patient. This may be the turning point we've all been anticipating. A perfect example of how Ripple's recent worldwide adoption advances are preparing the crypto scene for a revolutionary shift is the inclusion of XRP into Surfy's payment system in South Korea. That's all for now.